Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn the new lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard 2, and today's topic is uses of a computer. Dear students, as you know that this is a computer. A computer is used at home, in a school and many other places. Now we will see the uses of a computer. Dear students, a computer is used to write. A computer is used to draw. A computer is used to do sums. A computer is used to play games. A computer is used to listen to music. And a computer is used to watch the videos. Dear students, as we learn that computers are used at home and in school, there are many other places where people are using computers. A computer is used in offices. A computer is used in hospitals. A computer is used at airports. And a computer is used at railway stations. So dear students, in this video we have learned about uses of a computer. So watch the video carefully to understand the lesson.